Hey, we're back doing another Honda CRV interior makeover. My car is a 2009 beige interior Honda CRV. I think it's called the Gen 3, Generation 3. So as you know, that these armrests here, they have, they just been known to rip. So I am gonna get this replaced. Very simple procedure. I think I paid about, I forget, 15 to $19, I think it was, on eBay to get two covers for it, and it's going to look like that at the end result. So I'll show you real quick what it does. This is the cover, and this is the other one I'm doing. So it's just a matter of doing a couple little things, and you'll do it. You'll get it done. So it's very simple. 14 millimeter equipment right there. It's a you need a socket wrench right there. You pull that out, and that's pretty much what you need right there. Put the slip cover over it, and it is actually very good because it's really plushy. I already started it with this one right here. Super plushy, and it actually comes with a hole already, but then you have to make another one, so you just have to be a very kind of careful with that. But at the end result, it's going to be super nice and very plushy. So let's get started. Alright, so to replace this, we got to take this guy off. So there's a little button right here. We got to take this little plastic cover off. May need a little screwdriver to pop it, but if I can get lucky. Open. There we go. Sorry about that, I shut the camera. Right there you see a bolt right there. That's a 14 millimeter. So we're gonna go ahead and put our 14 millimeter socket wrench right in there and get it unscrewed. There you go. It's a pretty long bolt, but I think you'll see that it is gonna be worth it. So the end result is gonna be this. Right here next to me. It swings really good. Zipper. So once this comes off, we're gonna put this little cover on it, and this cover just fits right over. You could pretty much probably take the old one off if you wanted to, but I wouldn't. So this long bolt with a little plastic piece inside and outside comes out. So this is what you'll see right there. This is your armrest, and this is the one that you're trying to kind of hide and get rid of. So these covers right here, they actually come already with one hole. I purchased this on eBay. I'll put the link on it. I think I paid, I forget, I think it was like $14 to $19, right around that price point. I know you could probably make these guys an offer because they're just kind of sitting it, but it comes in twos, so I paid that much for two. And anyway, so it's got these, you can tell right there, this guy right here, there's two of these, they kind of slip in this little pocket, real simple. But this, the original one, has two holes, and the one that comes in only comes with one hole, so no worries. You do have to make both these, you gotta make this hole a little bit bigger, and then you do have to punch a hole in here with scissors or X-Acto, but anyway, it is that way, and then you slip the cover on. So here's the cover right there. Let's see, let's make it look nice. So design is on the outside. You see how it's like perforated like this, and then you see how the old one is perforated kind of like this too. So design on the outside. Okay, so we're gonna slip it in. Yep. Slip this guy in, make sure it looks real good. There you go. There it is. So it's right there, and it looks pretty nice there. You can either mess with it just a little bit more to kind of get it all nicely in there. And that is a cool and nice match too. Not bad. This is 11 years old, so it's a nice match. No rips, and it looks good. And it's double plush now. You can rest that elbow on there nicely. So you do have to make this hole bigger, right there. Just put a little X-Acto there and go through there. Don't worry about making this side too big, because this side is going to mostly go in here. Okay, this side you do have to punch a hole there. So feel here, punch, put a cross right there for an X-Acto, and start cutting slowly around it, just enough to get your bolt back in here. Okay, and then you put a little cap on here. So don't make your hole bigger than this one. Okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up just a little bit, because the hole that it originally came with these new covers aren't as big. So we're gonna open this up just for our two metal pieces that come on it can swivel inside of it. And on this side we're going to punch a hole right where you see the cavity is, just big enough to put this button in right there. Alright, so here's our hole. I just went ahead and used my blade here, my knife, and you just start off with a little X, and then you could open it up even more. On this side I just opened it up enough. You don't have to read signs or anything. It's just opening it up enough that the metal pieces will go in there. But on this one you want to open it up just a little bit more, because you do have to fit this guy, and you're going to have to be as big as the hole's got to be as big as the inside of this grommet piece right there. So on the inside, this one you do have to kind of be careful. Don't get that big on it. I mean, as you can tell, it's probably like a silver dollar size inside, so you just have to do it slowly. Here, I just get my shears and I just kind of punch like so, and then once I do my initial cuts, I go around the side and I just slowly open it up this way. Slowly. I mean, we're not sure how big this hole is, so we're just going to do as slow as possible. Every time we're not sure of something, just do it very slow. It may take a little bit of time, but I think it's the best way to do it. Alright. You need some good shears on this one. Actually, my knife won't cut this because this material is so thick. It's a very good material, actually. Shockingly good, actually. Definitely more than the original that Honda provided. Alright, so this is why we're doing it so slowly, because this will kind of show if I go too big. So you want to slip this guy inside and get in there. So yeah, it looks good. It's gonna fit in there nicely. Alright, awesome. Right. That's a big bolt, so there we go. Nice and tight. And that swings very nice. Where's our button? Where's our grommet? my pocket. Let's get it in. See if we can squeeze it in good. There we go. Clicks in there nice. And boom. We got ourselves a very nice little slip cover over armrests. There we go. There it is. Here's a nice shot of all my projects right there. I got the door right there, and then these guys. So yeah, great. Anyway, everyone, hey, good luck. Thanks for watching. Email me with your questions if you got it. But I'm gonna post where I got these and who I got these from. It was cool. Little easy process for you guys. So enjoy and have fun with your CRVs.